Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll see how you can change your location on DoorDash. So if you're traveling or if you're in a different city, as long as DoorDash is available over there, you will be able to change your location. Let's say you're in a country where DoorDash isn't available, there you won't be able to change your location. So what you need to do is simply, if you're in a new area, you can basically open your DoorDash app. First of all, you can open it on your mobile phone and then you'll tap on Dash Now. From there, you'll see a pop-up confirming if you would like to dash in your new location. You can see the pop-up right here. This is what you'll see. From there, you click OK and it will automatically change your dashing location and it will allow you to place an order and use DoorDash. Now, if Dash Now is not available, if this option right here in step one isn't available, you have two options. You can either wait until Dash Now is available in the area, since if it's not available right now and you cannot use the previous steps, you won't be able to change your location properly. Or you can navigate to a different starting point where Dash Now is available, which will basically be the light pink and red zones which you can see on your map that will be available on your mobile when you're trying to change your location. These are the categories that you need to fulfill. If these have been fulfilled before and you're in a right location, you'll simply be able to automatically change your location. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.